the RV all packed up and we are taking her to storage, and boy, does she need a bath. But we're doing that so we can start our nonstop cruising piece of our journey.
Yeah, we got back to back to back to back cruises.
Yeah.
And then we take a short break and then we do more back to back to back cruises. So super excited about this next phase of our retirement travel.
Yes, so here we go, onto the nonstop cruising for our retirement travel. Well, it is certainly my favorite time of year, change of seasons. And by that I mean change of travel seasons. We are super excited. What did we just do?
Oh man, we got the Airstream safely stored away in Seattle, and today's huge travel day. So started really early this morning. 4:30 in the morning we got up. So we've fly Seattle to Los Angeles, and we finally made it here to Tampa. It's early evening, and we still got a little work to do to get packed up and ready for tomorrow.
We do, and we are cruising starting now. Well, you guys, the day has come. We are in our hotel. We got a great night's sleep. Okay, well, I did. I don't think you got a very good night's sleep. No, we're just going to call it a night's sleep. Okay, Paul got a night's sleep. And we are starting our cruise extravaganza. We are just so excited. Right now, for this little segment, this big segment, we are doing 4 cruise ships on 4 different cruise lines in the next 4 weeks. What are we starting with?
So back to back to back.
To back.
To back.
Oh, and hold on one second. We use the term back to back to back a little loosely because a lot of people use that term when it's the same ship back to back.
Yeah.
We're doing 4 different ships, but still back to back. Okay, so what are we starting with?
Yeah, the first one is going to be really interesting for us. It is on the Margaritaville at Sea, which is the Jimmy Buffett line.
Yep.
And we are doing the Islander.
Yes.
Is that correct? So the Islander, and it's a recently refurbished ship. So what's exciting about this for us is we haven't done this cruise line, so it's completely new. We have done repeated cruise lines for the last 15 years. This is a brand new cruise line for us. We don't know what to expect. We're Jimmy Buffett fans, so we know it's going to be a cool vibe. It's going to be a little bit more chill. It's going to have that type of vibe to it and that type of experience. But we don't know. Yeah. So it's going to be awesome to see that, and then we're going to follow that up with a Royal Caribbean ship. It's called. We're going to be on the Freedom of the Seas. We've not been on that ship, so it's another new ship for us. We're very familiar with Royal Caribbean. We always love Royal Caribbean, but this is going to be a new ship for us, which is always exciting as well.
Right, and then after that, we are going back to one of our favorite ships, which is the, the camera's following you, so let me come over here a little bit, which is the Celebrity Beyond. It is one of their flagships. We absolutely love it. Can't wait to show you all the details about why we love that ship. And then it gets really exciting because the same day we get off of the Beyond in Miami, we're actually flying to New York and getting on the MSC Meraviglia, which is a ship that we have heard so many people have told us they love that ship. So very excited about that. We just hope we make that flight because
if we don't come back, it's actually coming back down to Florida from New York.
Yeah,
so
we'll just jump on it then if we have to.
We'll just catch it here.
Yes. So that is this segment of our nonstop cruising. Then we are going home for some holiday events for a brief period of time. And then we're just going to do it all over again. And we have 4 more cruise ships before the end of this year, including a Christmas cruise in Northern Europe so we can go see the Christmas markets. So we have tons and tons of cruise content coming your way. If you would love to follow along with the journey and learn more about these cruise ships, I invite you to please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will be alerted when it comes out. So we're excited to be there.
We're excited. We're going to go get our Caribbean on.
Yeah, we're getting our Caribbean on right now.
Last week, we were waking up to 30-degree temperature.
Yeah.
This week, not so much.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it's all about, right? So we are going to be on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander in less than an hour. We will catch you then.
Yeah.
Okay, we made it on. Wow, through the pouring rain, but check-in.
It was good.
Check-in was a piece of cake.
Yeah,
Yeah,
And,
totally different vibe on this ship than what we're used to, which is awesome. It's the Jimmy Buffett.
Yeah, super cool.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to share the details with you, so be sure to subscribe, and in another video, we will give you the full tour. And thank you for tuning in to the Freedom Strategy, where we are unlocking retirement
this looks
by
fun.
exploring
This
the
looks
world.
fun.
Yeah. Now we're going to go get a drink.